Hey everybody, my name is Angelo. I'm here with AudioQuest. We're at CEDIA. It's exciting. Well, we're actually going ahead and going to take a look at new product that we are debuting here at CEDIA for the first time. We have our PowerQuest 303, PowerQuest 505, and PowerQuest 707. These units are incredible from the standpoint that they are non-sacrificial. They have unlimited joules. A client will not need to replace these ever after purchasing it one time. And they also do a fantastic job when it comes to filtering. The 303 has a linear filter, the 505 is an ultra-linear filter, and the 707 also ultra-linear filter with something really cool called the transient power correction. As we take a look at the reverse side of the units, we are dealing with 12 outlets on the back. Each unit has 12 outlets. 4 of those 12 are high current outlets. This product ships with an AudioQuest power cable, so the client is benefiting from the do no harm philosophy found in the power cable, and also has rack ears in the box as well, which makes for an incredible solution. Price point, $459, $699, $1299. For more information, please either visit us here at the CEDIA booth or go to our website, www.audioquest.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. We appreciate you very much. Have a great day.